God damn it. I can't get the hang of this. Okay, I'm in the backyard of my home. Quite apparently, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I'm going to try to do something here. I really don't know what I'm cording at the moment. And anyway, you've got to learn a lot about these cameras. Because if you don't, this is my backyard. There's like a mess over there in the corner. My peach tree, block wall, oh, there's a nice flower. Now I'm going to show you something real good over here. That's my little doggy. Yeah, he's my nice little Mikey. He's out here enjoying the scenery with me. See him? Here, Mikey. Mikey. Oh, nice doggy. Yeah, he's a nice little doggy. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Huh? You gonna look for the bugs? Huh? Yeah, he's looking for the bugs. Yeah, he's looking for the bugs. Where's the kitties? Huh? Let's go over here and see the kitties. Yeah. We'll see these little kitties over here. Yeah, there's the kitties. There's old Mama Kitty, the black and white one. Or the black on white. Now the other one's the white on black. That Mama Kitty there, the one with a white, kind of a white face. That's her old baby kitty over there, that black one. About 4 or 5 of them stay around here all the time. And that's a croquet shed. This is part of the house. Sure is a nice day out here today. Yeah, it's very nice. This is looking toward the San Gabriel Mountains. Very nice place. So anyway. Yeah, this is... That's Mikey. Yeah, he's gonna lay down there and rest for a while. Chase some kitties. Yeah, he chases the kitties. Yeah, that's my backyard here. Very nice. Very nice place. Pine tree. Now we're gonna walk across the patio. Start recording again. I'm trying to find my kitty. Where's my kitty at? She's hiding somewhere over there on the books. Oh, look at her back in there. She's hiding. Yeah, there's my little kitty. Yeah, she's my old baby kitty. She likes to see her back in there. She's an old nice kitty. Yeah, kitty, kitty. She's trying to get away from Mikie, probably. Ah, kitty, kitty. Nice old puppy. Yeah, she's a nice old kitty. What's she gonna do, huh? What's she gonna do? Oh, there she is. Nice old puppy. Yeah, kitty, kitty. Oh, kitty, kitty. Yeah, there she's gonna lay on the floor. She wants me to rub her belly. Yeah, she wants me to rub her belly. Now I'm inside the house. I'm gonna take some pictures in the living room. There's my little doggy in here again. Hi, Mikie. Hello, Mikie. What your Mikie doing? There's that old Mikie. Hi, Mikie. Yeah, it's a good old doggy. Yeah, she's a nice little doggy. Yeah, he's a good old doggy. Yeah, we'll take some shots through the living room here. Walking through the living room. Yeah, front door. Get in the hallway. Back here in our villa. This is our villa, ladies and gentlemen. Walk on back through here. And check the bathroom area. Spare bedroom. Turn on the light there. That Mikie's on the bed. Yeah, Mikie's on the bed. There's spare bed. There's my little nest here. Hi, Mikie. The dog follows me everywhere. Yeah. Coming back through there. Outside. There's a house across the street I used to own. I sold it here not too long ago. Got tired working on it. Too much labor. Yeah, they got rid of the place. There's my nice, beautiful truck and boat.
Honey, don't take pictures of me, please.
Come on, Mikey. I see you back there. Yeah, there's that old doggy. He's a good doggy. He's gonna meet mad at his sock. Yeah, he's mad at his sock. He's gonna kill his sock. Yeah, he's gonna choke it. He's a good old puppy. Yeah, he's a good doggy. Yeah, he's a good doggy. Where's that doggy? I see that doggy. Yeah, I see him. Come on, bring your sock, attaboy. Hey, there's my lovely wife getting ready to go shopping for us this afternoon. It's Sunday. She's gonna run up to the store and get something for our dinner. Maybe a steak or a hamburger or something. Say hi, lovely wife.
Oh, my lovely husband.
Isn't she nice? Yeah, she's gonna go up there and get us something for this evening.
Don't forget, I'm gonna get Mikey his nail trimmers.
Yeah, and them nail clippers.
So you two behave while I'm gone.
Clip that little doggy's nails so he don't scratch us all up. But we're not gonna eat right away. When she comes back, she'll put it away and we're gonna go see the movie.
Last of the Mohicans.
Last of the Mohicans. It's one of my movies. She doesn't like that, but oh, it's a wonderful movie, and I'm sure she'll enjoy it
we
with
have to
me.
Take turns.
Yeah. Well, you run along, lovely wife.
Bye. See
Bye
you
bye. You take it easy and hurry home.
Okay.
I'm in the backyard here. We're gonna get another scene. There's old Mama Kitty. Yeah, she's waiting on her dinner. There's Frankie over there to the left. That's Frankie right there. He's a nice old kitty. He's all scratched up. And there's his black and white. I think that's a boy. I don't know if that's a girl cat or not. I think it's a boy cat. There's Mikey. Yeah. Mama Kitty's getting a little excited now. There's Mikey. He's out here. We just come home from the show and he gets all excited. Yeah, he's a good little puppy. And there's my wife again.
Hi, husband.
Say hi, husband.
Hi, husband.
Yeah, she's a good gal. Well, let me get a close-up of her. There's. Smile, give me your best. Oh, yeah, nice lady, isn't she? Yeah. Where's all your babies? You getting ready to feed your babies?
It's not time.
Yeah, they're all getting ready.
They can just wait till I'm
Yeah.
ready.
Yeah, this is in the backyard again.
In the good old summertime. It's 6:30 and it's still 100 degrees.
Uh-huh.
It's too hot.
Hi, Mikey. Hi, Mikey. Yeah, nice Mikey. Yeah. He's a good old doggy. Yeah, he's a nice doggy. Yeah.
Hi to Dad. Hi, Dad. Say hi, Dad. Say hi. Mikey. Say hi.
What'd you see at the movies?
Last of the Mohicans, Blood and Guts.
Yeah. Was that a love story, or
Supposedly.
did your husband take you to a good movie?
Oh, in between the blood and guts.
Yeah.
The tomahawks and the rifles and the shooting.
Yeah.
Of course, I close my eyes. I don't watch that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Upsets me. I'm too sensitive. Not tough like my husband. Say hi. Say hi to Dad. Go look over there. Say hi to him. Hi. Hi. Say hi.
I'm gonna fade you out now.
All right.
Take a little bit. I'm gonna fade you out, and then we're gonna shut it off and have some dinner.
It's too early.
I gotta fix the grill, and then we'll be back to show you folks a little more movies here when we start fixing our dinner. And I get the grill going. So
That's really
I'm gonna
exciting.
fade you out and see you in a few minutes. So
Bye.
here we go. Smile.
Bye.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I told you I'd get back with you here in a little bit, just before dinner. And here we are.
What are you doing over there, honey?
Okay, I'm sorry for the little screw up there, but here we are back in the kitchen. Oh, look at my wife coming in view there. She's fixing our fixings for our hamburger.
Cutting an onion.
Cutting onion. She didn't go buy any tomatoes. We run out of tomatoes.
No,
Had them all summer in the garden.
this is the last of our tomatoes.
So anyway,
Here it is.
there she is, fixing the fixings. In just a few minutes, I'll go out there on the grill, and I'll cook these hamburgers to perfection.
As always, dear.
Yeah. Yeah.
As always.
Isn't.
Want
Yeah,
to see the last of our tomatoes, honey?
just about.
We have red ones and yellow ones.
Well, let me get a little close up. Oh,
This is it.
they kind of look just pale.
Well, it's a pale red and a yellow. The yellow tomatoes taste a little bit tartar than the
Yeah.
red ones.
Well, okay.
But they still taste better than the ones in the market.
Well, they look pretty good. So anyway, well,
That's what we have.
so we're just about ready to go, huh?
Just about.
Yeah, well, anyway. Let me just walk on over here and take a view around here and see what our Kitty's doing. She usually comes into view when we start cooking food. And, oh, there she is. Yeah, I just knew she'd be around. Hi, kitty, kitty. Yeah, oh, nice Punky. There's your nice Punky. Isn't she a pretty kitty? Yeah. Look at that close-up of her. Yeah, she's a nice baby. Yeah, she's a good old baby kitty. Yeah, hi, Punky. Laying right next to my glasses there. Yeah, well, I've got junk laying all over this counter because I've been playing with this camcorder for all day, trying to get the hang of things. Well, Punky, yeah, go ahead and eat your food. See her little plate of food there? Yeah, she's a good baby. She doesn't seem to be too hungry, though. Well, anyway,
She's waiting for her baby food.
let's go back in here in the kitchen and see how things are progressing. Oh, yes. There's the There's that wonderful homemaker putting things together. We're just getting about ready here to go.
I want the hamburger man to get dizzy.
Alright, so
Quit playing with your toy.
what I gotta do is gonna fade you people out another day, ladies and gentlemen, and what we're gonna do is focus in here on a little kitty. There's that little kitty. That's my little baby kitty, Punky. And I'm gonna check on her and see what she's up to right now. Yeah. Oh, yes. Now I've got to move from this little kitty here and go see what my lovely wife put on.
What do you think?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's a pretty nice dress she's modeling for me, ladies and gentlemen. Come on in. Oh, yeah. Not too close. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one.
Like that?
Yeah, that's real nice. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, my.
You'll go with me, huh?
That's one of our cruise presents there. Anyway, how'd you like that shot, ladies and gentlemen? Now, when you coming in on another one?
In a minute.
Yeah. Well, let's go back to the kitty here and see what the kitty's doing. Ah, Punky. Oh, yeah, she's a good baby. Come on, Punky. Oh, here, Punky, Punky. Oh, come on, nice little kitty. Yeah, let's move around here and see that little kitty. Yeah. Oh, there she is. She's a nice little kitty. Yeah, there's the old doggy getting jealous. Where's the doggy? Ah, Mikey. Yeah, he's a good little doggy. Yeah, he's going in there to see his mama. Yeah. Oh, kitty, kitty. Oh, kitty, kitty. Come on, kitty, kitty. Come on, kitty, kitty. You're a nice baby kitty. Yeah, she's a nice baby. Yeah.
What do you think of this, honey?
I think this thing just ended. Yeah, that's good. Mm-hmm.